welcome to back my channel Aruj Teach. In today's video, I am going to discuss about a new cryptocurrency token and coin which is going royal the crypto market and break all the reader. This coin said to be the most Doge killer. Yes, you had me right. This coin is said to be the next Doge killer, and most importantly, this coin will be releasing in PancakeSwap on 11 August. PancakeSwap, there is the free airdrop. Also, most importantly, this coin claim to watch the video and next. So guys, the coin which talking about is collect Doge clean token. So now let us check out their website. I will be giving the link of the website in the description. The website say Doge clean, the new Doge coin, the arable of Doge clean world best community coin and other and airdrop coin on live, which will be ending in just one day. I will be letting how to claim it in the video. So stay tuned. So let us look at their website. So Dogecoin is the new darling of the community. Dogecoin is a definitely token. All Dogecoin holder will earn more Dogecoin. All holder automatically rewards a 5% fee on every translation. Bullet active community per sale whitelist smart contract in transaction listing charity incubation auto and moral birds. A magician has been designated to apply an auto brown as we will perform a moral brown to propel the price of DC even more. Rewards in your wallet. We bring technology and strong community. The ultimate goal of Disclaim is to be the all-in-one solution and to offer a wide range of service from market to finance. Our community, both professional and private, will access all service. The benefits of Dogecoin token holders: auto rewards, multiple brands, giveaway, launch, incus, exchange, broken, journal, ecosystem. So let us about the benefit of Dogecoin. Giveaway as brown, lawn and incus. Extra you can go through their website to community. The most important part I know you guys have been waiting for, the airdrop part since the beginning of the video. So let me come to the point. Trust wallet. So first of all, copy the description. Address of this token is I will given the address description. First of all, copy that, open you trust wallet. So guys, once copied, do the contract address, can you trust wallet, click on scratch where and then search for the token. At there you have the part contract address, then personal custom token connect to the network to smart China and paste your contract address here. Then press pass. You can see the name Dogecoin and simple DC and disclaimer. 9. Show press. So first of all, reviewing airdrop pics. Then you have to go to their Twitter open their Twitter account. I will be given the link of their Twitter account in the description. Then all you have to need is press the follow button, come down and go their pin, twist their tweet, them like the post, then there join the Telegram. Those 4 steps are already written down in the pin tweet to that, and then contact down your smart chain address. You get your smart chain address, go to your trust wallet, click on smart china, then click on the river, then copy down here and then come back again and then reply that there are book producer to claim the airdrop. So guys, all about does clean this queen will be raising in PancakeSwap on 11 August and other per sale will be on 10 of August. So guys, this coin is said to be the next Doge killer. So do needful and claim the airdrop and wallet is launch PancakeSwap. So that all for today, guys. Keep earning and lots of love from team.